rotational symmetry in alphabets. So first is A. A has order, that is rotational symmetry of order 1. So this is A. If I rotate this A through this center, so on rotating this is not the original shape. Again on rotating, not the original shape. Again on rotating this, but if I rotate it through complete 360 degrees, we get this A. That means order of this rotational symmetry is 1. Second is B. Again for B, order of rotational symmetry is 1 and angle through which we are rotating is 360 degrees. For C, again order of rotational symmetry is 1 and angle through which we are rotating is 360 degrees. Similarly for D, order of rotational symmetry is 1. For E and F, order of rotational symmetry 1, H and G. For G, order of rotational symmetry is 1 and for H, first we'll rotate it through an angle of 180 degree. Again 180 degrees, so we have order of rotational symmetry, that is 2 for H. Next is I. Again we are rotating this 180 degrees and again 180 degrees. So order of rotational symmetry for I is 2. J, rotating it about 360 degrees. So order of rotational symmetry is 1. For K and L, order of rotational symmetry is 1 and angle through which we are rotating is 360 degrees. Again for M, order of rotational symmetry is 1 and for N, first we'll rotate it through 180 degree. Again on 180 degrees rotation, so we have 2 N's. That means order of rotational symmetry here is 2. For O has infinite rotational symmetry. We can rotate it many times to get that original shape. So O has infinite rotational symmetry. P, order of rotational symmetry is 1 and angle is 360 degrees. Q, again order of rotational symmetry 1. Similarly for R, order of rotational symmetry is 1. For S, first we will rotate it through an angle of 180 degree. We'll get this shape. Again 180, so we will get that original shape. So for this, order of rotational symmetry is 2. For T, order of rotational symmetry is 1 and angle of rotation is 360 degrees. Next is U, angle of rotation 360 degrees and order of rotational symmetry 1. Similarly for V, angle of rotation 360 degrees, order of rotational symmetry 1. Next we have W, order of rotational symmetry 1, angle of rotational symmetry is 360 degrees. Next comes X. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again rotating 4, 1, 2, 3. Again on rotation we get X. Again on rotation. But in rotating this for 4 times we get that original 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for X, order of rotational symmetry is 4. Y, we have order of rotational symmetry, that is 1. And for Z, first we will rotate it through 180 degrees. Again on rotating through 180 degrees. So order of rotational symmetry for Z is 2.